But if you close your eyes.
Finished up at Bala Bala Pools for a quick overnighter. In true fashion, red dirt everywhere, so we had different children at the end of the night, filthy dirty. But we're on to Warura Station, 14 Mile Beach today. Big drive, about 7.5 hours, so we hope from what we've seen the drive will be definitely worth it, and you'll be seeing us on the beach with the van in no time.
They don't like me this morning. So we just stopped in Karratha to fill up with fuel, and we also filled up with water. It was our first stop along the way that we actually had to pay for water. It was $1 for 50 litres, so I thought that was actually quite a good deal. So we're motoring through, and hopefully we'll stop for lunch in, I don't know, another hour or two, and see how we go.
What happened to the car, Jen?
Oh, the wheels got stuck.
Did it went really deep in there?
Yeah.
And can I take it to go really deep?
Yeah.
So what happened this afternoon?
We made it to site just after getting massively bogged.
And why did we get bogged, Chad?
Because we wanted to go see the cool site.
Who wanted to go see the cool site?
Me!
And who found a beautiful site that we're now camping in?
You did. After we got stuck.
And who do we have to thank?
We need to thank Paul if Paul's listening. He's up over there on the other side of the soft stuff for getting us out, giving us a bit of a pull with the van.
What do we need to remember to pack next time that we forgot?
Snatching.
Yep.
We missed out. And a sand anchor probably would be maybe good.
Yeah. The old Max tracks did their job.
And they, we worn out a few of the knobs on the old Max tracks, so we need to add that to the list. But tyre pressure's down to about 17, 18, and a big yank from Paul, and we got out of the hole. So here we are, not going anywhere for a long time.
Thank you, Paul, and thank you, girls.